Okay, so this is the Rothenberger PB160 butt fusion machine. This machine is going to be used for 4-inch to 6-inch butt fusions. First, I'll just get you familiar with the hydraulic unit here. So if you look right here, there's a joystick that controls the carriage. The two arrows going together, that is going to be closing your carriage. And when you want to do that, you just hold it over to the close of the carriage section. On the right hand side, there's 2 arrows facing apart. And now that's the operation to open the carriage. You hold that as well. So that's just your forward, backward motions in order to use this machine. Here is a pressure regulator, your pressure relief, your 0 to P. So your 0 or O is your open. So you want to open that to relieve any pressure, or when you're pressure regulating, you have to open this before you adjust your pressure to allow. And when you're ready, the P stands for pressure. That means you're holding pressure. So you want to adjust it back and forth once you look for your temperatures and your pressures that you're getting. Here is your regulator. This is to either turn clockwise to add pressure and counterclockwise to remove the pressure while your pressure relief is open. So I'll just do a quick demonstration. When you're getting your pressures, you want to have the arrows closing, so that's when you're getting your pressure to close that carriage. So first, we'll have it. Notice that this is closed right now. When you're using the machine, you want to always have this kind of either pressure on or pressure 0. Right now I have it at 0, and my regulator is on P, so it's holding pressure, but it's at 0 because I have it at the end of the day. Now I'm going to start to regulate. I need, for this joint, I need 10 bar for creating that joint. So what I'm going to do is you hold it on. Open your valve. It's still at 0. When you put the pressure on, it's still at 0. You want to open it until you see, okay, from about 10 to 11. Watch if I release this without closing the valve, the pressure drops. So, and you want to hold that pressure, right? So you hold it. Once you close to hold pressure, it's going to hold that pressure. So that's going to make you get your ideal 10, 11 bar to do this weld at the moment. If I wanted to drop the pressure, you have to open the pressure. You see it drops. When you put it in, it's still at 10. You move it down. My drag pressure is going to be minimal. So now you want to close your valve again and you hold pressure. Every time that you're either adding or removing pressure, you're going to have to reopen your valve and allow the opening process. So again, now I'm back to my drag pressure. We can get into that later. But my drag pressure is 2 bar and my full pressure is 11 bar. Now I'm going to have to open it up again. As you can see, I can regulate it back up to my desired, close all the way, and now it's holding. And that is basically the process to be able to get your ideal pressures and hold your pressures. When you're using this regulator, there is about a 5-second delay, so when you open it, you have to allow for that pressure to release in the system before you can properly regulate it. And now you can come down, close it again, and there you have it. That's how you work this unit. And we'll get into a second video where I'll show you how to do a proper weld.
Thank you.